Congratulations! You've reached the end of this course on Python GUI development with tkinter. In this course, we've learned how to create and configure some of the most commonly used TK widgets, how to display and organize them with the various geometry managers, and how to tie user actions and events back to execute program code. As you're writing your tkinter applications, I recommend keeping the TK documentation pages found at tcl.tk handy. They provide detailed information about all of the capabilities of the tcl/tk framework. I use them regularly as reference to remember the properties and commands available for the different TK widgets. For Python-specific information about the tkinter module, the module's Python doc provides a compact description and examples of the most commonly used tkinter methods and properties. With your knowledge from this course and those documents as your reference, you're prepared to go forth and build custom, stylized user interfaces for all of your Python applications. Happy programming!